Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a low hook golf shot. First, let's identify the root causes. A low hook often stems from an overly strong grip or an outside-in swing path with a closed club face at impact. We'll start by addressing your grip, ensuring it's neutral. Then, we'll adjust your ball position and alignment to encourage a more effective swing. These initial steps are crucial for setting up a successful correction. To weaken your grip, rotate both hands slightly counterclockwise on the club. This helps prevent the club face from closing too much at impact. Next, adjust your ball position. For irons, move the ball 1 to 2 inches further forward in your stance, towards your lead foot. For woods, ensure it's off the inside of your lead heel. Finally, check your shoulder alignment. They should be parallel to your target line, not aimed left. Now, let's refine your swing path. The goal is an inside-out motion, which means your club approaches the ball from slightly inside the target line and moves outwards. This helps keep the club face square or slightly open at impact, preventing the hook. Concentrate on rotating your body through the shot, rather than just swinging your arms. A full, balanced finish is key, indicating good weight transfer and a complete swing. To solidify these changes, try some simple drills. Place 2 alignment sticks on the ground, one along your target line and another slightly inside your ball, pointing towards the target. This visual aid helps you practice that inside-out path. Also, focus on half swings, emphasizing a square club face through impact. Consistency is built through repetition. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Keep practicing, and you'll see those hooks disappear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.